With outstanding features and brilliant build quality, these Renegade Industrial 200 amp AC/DC TIG welders are a class leader. Suitable for fine fabrication work with steel, stainless steel, copper, and perfect for aluminium, these AC/DC TIG welders are an essential part of any workshop, operating in the marine, motorsport, commercial, kitchen, or similar industries. With the added advantage of a variable control foot pedal, which allows the user to make slight controlled adjustments and stay hands-on with the weld, plus a professional quality high-frequency start TIG torch, these machines are great to own and operate. Inverter technology allows these to be compact and portable with an extremely smooth output while welding. You will not find this quality at this low price anywhere else. With a 15 amp input plug, this AC 240 volt single phase power supply has a regulation range of output current between 10 and 200 amp. The unit has a pre-flow gas adjustment and post-flow gas adjustment, as well as a slope down function with adjustments between 0 and 5 seconds. The unit has a 35% duty cycle at 200 amp with pulse action, reducing material distortion. The high frequency TIG torch makes work easy, especially when partnered with the easy to use control panel, with individual function controls so you can make quick adjustments on the go. When you buy one of these units, you'll expect to find a 200 amp inverter welder, a 4 meter high frequency TIG torch, a 4 meter earth cable, a 4 meter arc welding torch, a 5 meter foot control pedal, and spare TIG cups. These Renegade Industrial 200 amp AC/DC TIG welders are a huge seller, boasting high quality performance for a competitive price. You can grab one for yourself at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.